Here's something that will shock you. In Sweden, you can lose your dream property in just 30 seconds. That's right. 30 seconds. The Swedish property market moves so fast that hesitation costs fortunes. But here's the twist: most foreign buyers have no idea how this system actually works. They walk in blind, lose bidding wars, and wonder what hit them. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on Sweden's property buying process. Let's start with the foundation. Step 1 is understanding your legal status. Are you an EU citizen? Non-EU? This matters more than you think. EU citizens can buy property freely in Sweden. Non-EU citizens face restrictions. You cannot buy agricultural land or forest properties exceeding 1 hectare. But here's what most guides won't tell you: there's a loophole. Get a residence permit first, and these restrictions vanish. Step 2 is the money game. Swedish banks are notoriously strict with foreign buyers. You'll need at least 15% down payment. But smart buyers know this secret: establish a Swedish bank account 6 months before house hunting. Build that relationship early. Show regular income deposits. This single move can save you thousands in interest rates later. Now comes step 3, choosing your property type. Sweden has 2 main categories: bostadsrätt and äganderätt. Bostadsrätt means you own shares in a housing cooperative. Äganderätt means you own the actual property. Here's the catch: bostadsrätt properties often require board approval for purchases. They can reject you without explanation. Äganderätt gives you more control but costs significantly more. Step 4 is the hunt itself. Forget browsing casually online. In Sweden's hot markets, properties sell within days of listing. Set up automated alerts on Hemnet, Sweden's main property portal. But here's the insider tip: contact real estate agents directly. Build relationships. They often know about properties before they hit the market. This early access is your competitive edge. Step 5 involves the viewing process. Swedish viewings are intense social events. Dozens of potential buyers inspect simultaneously. Don't just look at the pretty rooms. Check the annual report. Examine upcoming building maintenance costs. Ask about monthly fees. A beautiful apartment with crushing monthly charges will drain your wallet for decades. Step 6 is mastering the bidding war. Swedish property auctions are psychological warfare. Bids happen openly. Everyone sees your offers. Start conservatively but be ready to move fast. Here's the crucial part: have your financing pre-approved. Nothing kills dreams faster than winning a bid you can't actually afford. Set your maximum before entering the room. Step 7 happens after you win. The inspection period. You have 1 to 2 weeks to thoroughly examine everything. Hire a professional building inspector. Check electrical systems, plumbing, foundation issues. This inspection can save you from nightmare scenarios. Found major problems? You can still back out without penalty during this period. Step 8 involves the legal machinery. You'll need a Swedish lawyer or real estate agent to handle the contract. The purchase agreement is called a köpa contract. Everything must be in Swedish legal language. Don't sign anything you don't understand completely. Mistakes here cost thousands to fix later. Step 9 is the final hurdle: closing day. Called tilltrade in Swedish. You'll sign final documents, transfer funds, and receive keys. But here's what catches foreign buyers off guard: additional costs appear. Property transfer tax, legal fees, inspection costs. Budget an extra 3 to 5% of purchase price for these surprises. Step 10 is actually step 0, preparation. Start this process months before you need it. Build banking relationships early. Understand the market dynamics. Connect with local professionals. Sweden's property market rewards preparation and punishes impulsiveness. Follow this roadmap, and you'll navigate Swedish property buying like a local insider. Your dream Swedish property is waiting, but only if you play the game correctly.